Today we forged some of Mark Aspery's style of stylized Callalilies. This is how I did it. I start on the horn and create a neck, which I draw out to become the little curl on the end of the calla lily. I looked at calla lilies, and this is just a flare that I've seen a lot of blacksmiths do that they don't really have in real life, but I think they're so beautiful this way. So I'm drawing out a taper on the very end of the calla lily. I turn it octagon and then I round it out. After that, I am going to create a second neck lower down, and in between those two necks is going to be the flower. I'm going to create a triangular shape and then draw out that shape from side to side. I use the peen side of the hammer to draw it out horizontally, and then I clean it up with my round faced hammer. I am taking this material down to about 1/16 of an inch in thickness, and now I roll it over and fold it into itself to create kind of a cone. Once I create a cone, I can take my peen hammer or a leafing hammer and I just curve over the very end of the flower. It really makes it look like a flower. Up until this point, it looks kind of just like a cone, but once you add that, it looks very organic. I'm going to create a little loop that goes on the end of it with a counter curl. And I just give it a little bit of flair, and there we go. We have a beautiful stylized calla lily. So that is my first attempt.
Wow. Woo!
We had a great time, and here you can see our finished bouquet. Thanks for watching.